In the heart of Kolkata stands a breathtaking monument, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that has withstood time, wars, and even devastating earthquakes. But did you know that this iconic cathedral holds secrets that few people talk about? Today, we take you on an unforgettable journey inside the legendary St. Paul's Cathedral. Why was this grand cathedral built in the first place? How did it survive natural disasters? And what makes it so special that even British royalty has been drawn to it for centuries? You won't believe the hidden history behind one of India's most stunning colonial-era structures. 1. A monument born from colonial India's past, St. Paul's Cathedral is one of the oldest and most stunning Anglican churches in Asia. It was built in 1847 during British rule, commissioned to serve as the main place of worship for Kolkata's growing European community. The cathedral was designed by Major William Nairn Forbes in the Indo-Gothic style, inspired by the classic European cathedrals but adapted to India's climate. The cathedral was designed by Major William Nairn Forbes in the Indo-Gothic style. The breathtaking Gothic architecture, unlike any other in India, the cathedral's tall spire and stained glass windows make it a stunning sight. It was designed to resemble England's Norwich Cathedral, but with special reinforcements to withstand Kolkata's humid weather and earthquakes. Inside, the high ceilings, wooden pews, and intricate frescoes transport you straight into the British colonial era. 3. A structure that defied time and disaster, St. Paul's Cathedral has survived two major earthquakes, one in 1897 and another in 1934. The spire was destroyed twice but was rebuilt using a stronger tower and spire design, inspired by the Bell Harry Tower of Canterbury Cathedral. Even after all these calamities, it still stands tall, a symbol of resilience and faith. 4. The secret behind the peaceful garden and memorials. Surrounding the cathedral is a tranquil garden and cemetery, home to ancient tombstones dating back to the British Raj. Inside the church, there are memorial plaques and statues dedicated to war heroes and British officials who played key roles in India's history. The stunning stained glass windows depict biblical stories but also reflect elements of India's past, blending two worlds together. 5. A royal connection. Why British monarchs visit here? St. Paul's Cathedral has been visited by British royalty multiple times, including Queen Elizabeth II. The annual Christmas Eve Mass here is one of the grandest in India, attracting people from all faiths. Even today, it remains a powerful symbol of Kolkata's colonial past and cultural diversity. From surviving earthquakes to hosting royalty, St. Paul's Cathedral is more than just a religious site. It's a living monument of history, resilience, and architectural beauty. Whether you're a history lover, an architecture enthusiast, or a traveler exploring Kolkata, this cathedral is a must-visit. What do you think about this stunning British-era wonder? Have you ever visited St. Paul's Cathedral? Let us know in the comments. And if you love exploring iconic places like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating travel stories. See you in the next adventure.